What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us today. I've got a little bit of news for you on the 2019 Ram Heavy Duties as well as the 2019 Ram 1500s. So let's make this quick. Let's get you guys informed and let's get this over with. So this past week, our spy photographer caught the 2019 Ram 2500 Laramie as well as the 2019 Ram 2500 Bighorn Sport. We've already posted these photos to our website, hdrams.com. But for those that haven't seen them, I'm going to go all the way through all the 2019 Ram heavy duty trims that we've caught so far. So this run here right now on your screen is a 2019 Tradesman. This is the 2019 Tradesman with the optional Power Wagon package. This is the 2019 Bighorn Sport. This is the 2019 Power Wagon. Here's your first look at the 2019 Ram 2500 Laramie, and this particular truck is a mega cab. Here we've got the 2019 2500 Longhorn, and lastly, here's the Limited. Now we've also posted multiple interior shots on our website. This is the Laramie interior with the 8.4-inch Uconnect system without navigation. Those of you that don't know, the center stack is actually a bit differentiated whether you've got nav or not. The non-nav models like this truck get a matte black plastic surround and a recessed screen, while nav models get a piano black plastic surround and a flush screen. Now we've also posted multiple photos of the 2019 HD Limited interior. Now yes, even though the HDs are keeping the 4th generation cab for the time being, they are getting the same dash and center console of the 2019 Ram 1500, including that awesome optional 12-inch Uconnect screen. Now the 2019 Ram Heavy Duties are going to be revealed in Detroit on Monday, January 14th at 9:10 a.m. So make sure to check out hdrams.com as we're going to be there at the reveal and covering it extensively. Now, comparing the front end of the 2019 Ram 1500 to the 2019 Ram HD, it's evident that the HD is inspired by the 1500 design, but the overall design is very different. The HD keeps a bit of that aggressive look. Now, both of these are limited trim, so they're the closest comparison. Both limited trim trucks from the same angle. Around back, you can also see that the new Ram Heavy Duty gets a tailgate similar to the 2019 1500s as well as a new rear bumper. The taillights are also inspired by the 2019 Ram 1500 and they should have that kind of LED outline going on, but they are different so that they do fit into the existing box. Now over on 5thGenRams.com we posted some news this week as well. One of our forum members found a diagram of the long time coming multi-function tailgate. On top of that, our spy photographer caught 2 separate 1500s out testing, both with boxes and tailgates camouflaged. Well, another YouTuber has posted one of our photos without our permission, insinuating these are TRX mules out testing. That is absolutely not the case. These trucks are testing the upcoming multi-function tailgate design. And if that wasn't enough, on the same day our spy photographer caught a 2019 Ram Rebel and a 2019 Ram Longhorn, both out powertrain testing the upcoming revised 3-liter EcoDiesel. Now as you can see, this Longhorn's got black tape on the hood badge where it usually says the engine options, so it's just covering up the fact that it says 3-liter EcoDiesel. Now we reported last year that according to our sources, the EcoDiesel was going to return in the summer of 2019, and we believe that's still likely the time frame that we're going to see it arrive. Ordering's probably going to open late the first quarter, early second quarter of this year. That's it for this week, guys. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be notified every time we upload. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and we're going to be posting a lot of videos of the 2019 Ram Heavy Duty very soon. Take care.